My name is Ruth. I am married. I am a mother of 2 children. I love my children deeply. But I am tired all the time. Not tired in my body only. Tired in my heart. My husband and I both work. He works long hours at his job. I work as a secretary in a large office downtown. Every morning, we wake up early. We eat breakfast quietly. We rush out the door. At night, we come home late. We sit at the table. We eat in silence. Not because we are angry. Not because we stopped caring. Because we are exhausted. Sometimes I look at my husband. And I want to talk. But the words stay inside me. We sleep side by side. But it feels like miles apart. At work, my boss is Mr. Eldon. He is respected. People say he is strict, but fair. At first, I felt proud when he noticed my work. You are reliable, he told me. You are the only one I trust. Those words made me feel important. Slowly, he gave me more work than others. He asked me to stay late. Again and again. Almost every night. He always said deadlines were urgent. He always said the company depended on me. Sometimes he stayed in his office drinking. Sometimes he fell asleep at his desk. And I stayed. Typing documents. Sorting files. Watching the clock move slowly. Every minute felt heavy. I thought about my children eating dinner without me. I imagined my husband sitting alone. Many times, I wanted to quit. But then I thought about rent. School fees. Groceries. Fear kept me there. One night, Mr. Eldon asked me to stay very late. He said important documents had to be finished. He drank more than usual. His voice became slow. His eyes became heavy. At one point, he passed out on the sofa. I stood there for a moment, frozen. Then I covered him with a coat. I went back to my desk. And kept working. That night, on the bus ride home, I cried quietly. No one noticed. A week later, he called me into his office again. He spoke calmly. There is a 3-day conference in Chicago, he said. I need you. My heart dropped. I felt fear rise in my chest. I said I needed time to think. Then he mentioned promotion. He mentioned a raise. That word changed everything. Promotion. Money. Security. When I told my husband, he listened. He nodded slowly. He said it was good for my career. But his eyes were sad. He did not smile. The conference was busy. Meetings all day. Dinners every evening. The hotel was large and unfamiliar. On the second night, I drank more than I should have. I was thinking about home. About my children. About my husband. I felt lonely in a room full of people. I remember looking at Mr. Eldon. He was drinking too. He smiled at me. Then my head felt light. After that, nothing. I woke up slowly. The room was silent. The ceiling was unfamiliar. Fear rushed through me. I checked my clothes. Everything was still in place. The door opened. Mr. Eldon walked in. My body froze. He spoke softly. He said I fainted. He said he could not leave me alone. He said nothing happened. I believed him. But believing does not erase fear. When I came home, my children ran to me. They hugged me tightly. My husband stood behind them. I could not meet his eyes. 2 days later, everything collapsed. Mr. Eldon's wife came to the office. Truth did not matter. Rumors spread fast. People whispered. People stared. The news reached my husband. That evening, he did not come home. One night passed. Then another. I did not sleep. I blamed myself. For drinking. For trusting. For wanting more. On the 3rd day, he returned. We sat at the table. I told him everything. Slowly. Quietly. He listened. Then he stood up. And left the room. That silence hurt more than shouting. Life continued. My husband stayed. But he changed. He spoke less. He avoided my eyes. We lived in the same house. But we were no longer together. At work, Mr. Eldon resigned quietly. His marriage suffered. So did mine. I stayed in my job. But I felt smaller. Some mistakes are not about actions. They are about choices that look harmless. I wanted recognition. I wanted to feel important. That want cost me peace. Now, we move carefully through life. We eat together. We sleep in the same bed. But something is missing. Love did not disappear. Trust became thin. And some things, once broken quietly, never fully return.